This V8 engine block on our Haas VM3 with the TR200Y 5-axis trunnion. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Card here to the NYC CNC page on our journey of learning 5-axis, the videos that we've done, including the CAD, the CAM, the tips and tricks, the setups. For our pro members, we've got Fusion 365 with speeds and feeds and more. I was absolutely ecstatic with how this turned out. The last operation that we did was a parallel toolpath just for a cosmetic finish on this. And for those that think you do our channel, we publish videos on how to mix up CNC machining CAD CAM. 10 years ago, I didn't know what an end mill was. I bought my first benchtop CNC when I lived in New York City in my small apartment, had it right next to my bed. And to think we're now doing 5-axis parts making an engine block is awesome. Once it was done, Alex, one of our college interns, said, hey, I think I can 3D print a crankshaft and maybe even machine some headers into pistons. And I told him, we'll run with it. And he has done an awesome job. So stick around, folks. Click that subscribe button. We've got some more videos coming out how we kind of took this to the figurative next level. When you turn it with a drill, it even kind of sounds like a V8. Now, these are just 3D printed parts. And this is a great proof of concept, but we're thinking we may even try to take this to the next level, starting with a 1 engine, machine an actual functioning combustion engine, and then see if we can take it even further, maybe with a 4-cylinder or even an 8-cylinder. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed